Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. This is Data App Airdrop. It is a layer 1 airdrop. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can start mining data airdrop. This data airdrop has a very strong potential. It is just similar to Pi network. So watch this video from beginning to the end so that you understand how you can get started. And also I will drop the referral code in the video description. Use that referral code. Once you click on the link, it will take you to the Hrum, whereby you will now say download data app. Click on it. It's an APK file. Once you download it, you come over here. This is the app. Right now you can now see country stroke region. Tap on it to choose your country. I'm in Nigeria. Choose your country. So I'm going to tap on N here so that it can locate my country for me. So right here you can see Nigeria is coming up. You can see, tap on Nigeria. Now you can see MSISDN. You're going to click on this place to put your phone number. Now put your phone number. You click on next step. So right here you need a referral code for you to start mining. I'm going to drop the referral code in the video description. Then you choose your nickname. The crypto hustle mom is not going to be complete, so I need to shorten it. Then you click on next. So right here you can now see DSMS verification. I need to verify my phone number, so tap on it. So click the get button below to select a group of SMS verification access number in the queue in turn. Click on get here. Tap on it. If you are using MTN, you need to select, just click on this box, any of the number, to verify this your phone number with it. Now let's read what they said here. Please check one access number and click the next step button to proceed to the next step. Right here, once you click on it, you will now click on proceed to next step. You tap on it. So it's going to open, we're writing to the on-chain. So it's going to open here. The next thing you need to do is to click on this thing to copy it. Once you copy it, you will now see this send button. You're going to send this message you copied. You're going to send it here. Once you click on this send, you automatically send. But I want to use my WhatsApp. I don't think I have any recharge card on my MTN. So I'm going to go back, and you see the verification information fair. Now go back, click on next step. I want to use my WhatsApp to do this verification. Click on get. So I'll click on global universe here, that is WhatsApp. So right, I'm going to choose any access number to verify. Let me click on Hong Kong right here. Let me choose this one. So I'm going to click on next step, writing to the on-chain, please wait. So I'm going to copy this link as well. Then I'm going to choose WhatsApp. Once I choose WhatsApp, and now I'm going to click on this number. I'm going to click here to send to my WhatsApp. Then you click on launch WhatsApp program, click on confirm. So I'm going to send that message there. Searching, just give it time to search. So right here, I'm going to just click on send here. Click on send. Waiting to send the message. Okay, I've sent the message. Now I need to go back, go back again. So right now, I have now finally created an account. So for me to start mining, just like Pi, I'll come here and tap. Every 24 hours, I'll come back and start mining. Now, participated in mining, 0 time, total income. This is your information. Then you click on mine here. So waiting to on-chain, please wait. Writing to on-chain. So this is the interface, and that is it. So right here, you can see the wallet. Let me click on wallet now. So here is my wallet, is loading. So this is my wallet address, and here you can use your wallet for every other thing. Change preferrals. You have the DTC, that's the data coin, and the ICP, the internet computer. All these things are the coin. This data airdrop, their blockchain name is data coin. So that is this what you are supposed to see here. Then let's go back and check other things. If you click here, here is where you can now find your invitation link or code. If you click on invite, you can now invite your friends. You invite based on either WhatsApp, Telegram, what have you. So that is it for that side. Then if you click on this mining participants, this is the main thing. This is the your cycle. So this is my cycle. You can as well add your cycle manually. So if you know that you will be active on this, I would like you to, once you register, drop your link or your name. I'll add you manually, and we are now, if I add you manually, that means we are now in covenant. You promise me that you will be mining Delta airdrop till whenever it will be listed, be it in 3 years or in 4 years. So that is it for the cycle. Now right here you can now see that you will see deep app. Tap on it. So this is where you will now see the ICP crowding and all that. Then the menu, if you tap on menu, this is where you will see your wallet, the referral team, your security cycle, your provide security details. Here you need to put your two-factor authenticator to secure your wallet, something like that. That's for privacy. Then right here you are going to put your language, change mobile number and all that. So that is it for this particular place. So if you have not started mining, link in the description on this video. Look at the number of people that have started mining data airdrop. Before, when I was trying to learn, they say it was 74 people. And right now, this is 162,000 people already mining data airdrop. Please don't fail this airdrop for any reason. You mine every 24 hours. It's not stressful. So if you find this video helpful, please do well to like, share, and subscribe. Also join my WhatsApp for more updates. Thank you guys, and see you guys in my next video.